Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, where we turn your big dreams into small, actionable steps. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss an update. We're all about empowering you to take control of your entrepreneurial journey. If you're looking to start a business in 2025 but feel overwhelmed by all the complex startup advice out there, this video is just for you. We know how daunting it can be to sift through endless information and not know where to start. Today, I'm breaking down 10 simple, low-cost startup ideas you can start from home, even with little or no experience. These ideas are designed to be easy to implement and require minimal investment, making them perfect for beginners. And stick around till the end. I'll share a bonus tip that could 10 times your startup's growth. This tip is a game changer and could be the key to unlocking your business's full potential. Let's jump right in. First up, niche dropshipping. This business model allows you to sell products without ever holding inventory yourself. This is perfect if you want to start an e-commerce business but don't have space or money for inventory. You can run everything from a minimalist home office. Pick a specific niche like eco-friendly pet toys or aesthetic desk accessories. Focusing on a niche helps you target a specific audience and stand out in the market. Set up a Shopify store, connect with a supplier and start selling. The supplier handles the inventory and shipping, so you can focus on marketing and customer service. Use TikTok or Instagram Reels to go viral. One trending video can explode your sales. Collaborate with social media influencers to reach a wider audience and boost your brand's visibility. Use tools like Trends.co or EcomHunt to find hot products. Ever heard of YouTube automation? It's a fascinating concept that's gaining popularity. It's a faceless channel where AI does most of the work, from content creation to video editing. Use ChatGPT to write scripts, 11 Labs for voiceovers, and other AI tools to streamline the process. Tools like Pictory or InVideo can help you generate stunning visuals without much effort. Pick a topic like motivation, which is always in demand, finance, which attracts a lot of viewers, or fun facts that keep the audience engaged. And let automation handle the heavy lifting. Monetize through AdSense, affiliate links, and other revenue streams. As your channel gains traction, you can even secure sponsorships and grow your income significantly. Top 10 mysteries, weird history facts, or passive income tips. This one is underrated. Start a local cleaning or handyman service. People always need help with basic tasks: cleaning, organizing, furniture assembly, minor repairs. Use Google Business, local Facebook groups, and a simple website to attract clients. You don't need to be an expert, just be reliable. Once you're booked out, scale by hiring a small team and managing bookings. Number 4, create custom gift boxes. Think birthday survival kits, self-care boxes, or new mom hampers. You can personalize the packaging, include a handwritten note, and even offer themed boxes for festivals or corporate gifts. Sell via Etsy, Instagram shops, or even pop-up stalls. Every small business wants to be on Instagram or TikTok, but they don't have time. That's where you come in as a freelance social media manager. Use Canva to create posts, schedule them with Buffer or Metricool, and charge monthly for content plus strategy. You can start with just one client and grow from there. Start at $150 to $300 per month per client. Everyone loves surprises. That's why subscription boxes are booming. Pick a niche, like tea, snacks, crafts, or journaling, and send monthly boxes from your home. You only need 20 to 30 loyal subscribers to generate steady income. Use Gumroad or Subly to manage subscriptions easily. If you're good with a camera, or even a phone with good lighting, start a product photography service for Etsy sellers, food businesses, or influencers. All you need is basic props, a ring light, and a few editing skills using Lightroom or Snapseed. This is especially great if you love creating visuals. Help job seekers by optimizing their resumes and LinkedIn profiles. You'd be surprised how many people are willing to pay for help landing interviews. Use AI tools like Reezy or ChatGPT to assist, then fine-tune manually for a professional finish. College grads, remote job seekers, and freelancers. Have a skill you can teach? Start a micro-tutoring business or online workshop. Whether it's Canva, Excel, digital marketing, or even baking, people are willing to pay to learn. You can do one-on-one classes over Zoom or run group sessions using Google Meet or ClassPlus. Use testimonials and short clips to promote your workshops on Instagram Reels or YouTube Shorts. People don't want just vacations, they want experiences. Create personalized itineraries for tourists or offer unique city tours, food walks, or cultural activities. This works great in cities with a tourism market, and you can partner with Airbnb experiences too. And here's that bonus tip I promised you. No matter which idea you pick, start building a personal brand around it. Document your journey, post behind the scenes, share your lessons. This builds trust, attracts clients, and opens new income streams like digital products or brand deals. Alright, that's it for today's video. These were 10+ easy startup ideas you can actually start in 2025 with low risk and high potential. Which idea would you start with first? Comment below, I'd love to hear from you. If you got value from this video, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. I've got more practical content coming your way every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.